Good morning. I'm here to give you a tutorial on how to get your Aeries portal. First of all, you need to go to our website, and that is at euhs.exeter.k12.ca.us. Once you get there, your screen should look like this, and you're going to go to the Parent Student tab, and you're going to select Aeries Gradebook Portal. Once you get your screen should look like this, and you're going to click here to access student portal. Then your screen should look like this, and you're going to insert your school email. It should be your student ID plus at exeterk12.org. Then you're going to hit forgot password. This screen should come up. Then you will put your email again, your number at exeterk12.org, and then hit next. That will generate an email to your account, to your email. Please check your email account. Make sure you check your spam or your junk email because it might send it there. And then once you open that up, you will then hit verify email and you have your Aeries portal. If you have any other questions, you can call our registration hotline at 559-671-0457. Thank you.